Expect more from the Rohde ZPH 2-port cable and antenna analyzer. You already expect fast and efficient cable and antenna measurements from the Rohde Schwarz Rohde ZPH, and now the new 2-port model adds further useful functions such as spectrum analysis, independent RF source, interference hunting, and more to increase your effectiveness in the field. In spectrum mode, you can easily measure the channel power, occupied bandwidth, and spurious emissions at the touch of a button. Also in spectrum mode, the integrated tracking generator lets you perform scalar S21 transmission measurements. It can apply frequency and level offset, which comes in very handy when measuring mixers and power amplifiers. The addition of a directional antenna turns the Rohde into an interference hunter, using signal strength mapping to indicate the strongest emitting area of the interferer. Alternatively, you can use interference analysis mode that provides a more precise position of the target signal using triangulation. The Rohde ZPH 2-port model supports many more functions that make it the most versatile tool available for field measurements on network infrastructure. For more details, visit the Rohde Schwarz website. Expect fast, expect efficient, expect more.